Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, the request failed due to a fatal device hardware error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the physical connections, because if the physical connections are weak, it will obviously create issues. The next solution is to run a checkdisk scan on your computer. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. And lastly, you can update all the drivers. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on advanced options. Select optional updates and then you can download and install all the updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.